as you know, this is the kitchen of endless possibilities. So today I will be making Scotch eggs. This is a recipe I've always wanted to try. So stay tuned and watch until the end to do a taste test with me. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need, for the mustard sauce, 1½ cups of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and for the Scotch eggs, you will need 5 large eggs, 1 whisk, 340 grams of pork sausage with the casings removed, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of dried sage, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and about 500 milliliters of oil. Let's get started. Step 1. For the mustard sauce, in a small bowl, add the mustard ingredients and whisk well to combine. Then set aside. Step 2. For the Scotch eggs. Add the 4 eggs still in their shells to a saucepan and cover with water. Bring this to a boil, then turn off the heat and allow the eggs to sit in the water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain and add some tap water. Scotch eggs are a popular pub and picnic dish and are commonly served cold in Britain. Step 3. Now crack the eggs in the water and rub them in the water to help remove the shells. Then dry and set aside. Step 4. Add the parsley, sage and thyme to the sausage meat and mix until combined. Did you know that the London department store Fortnum and Mason claims to have invented Scotch eggs in 1738 as a traveller's snack? Step 5. Add the whisked egg, flour and breadcrumbs in a row. Then season the breadcrumbs with salt and pepper. Step 6. Dust your hands lightly with flour. Now take about 1/4 of the sausage meat and press it flat into your hand. Then take the hard-boiled egg and wrap the meat around the egg, leaving no gaps, and shape this into a tight oval. Repeat this with the other eggs. In the UK, you can buy packaged Scotch eggs in supermarkets, corner shops, and gas stations. Step 7. Now take the meat-covered eggs, one at a time, and dip them into the flour. Then the egg. Then the breadcrumbs, coating all of them well. Step 8. Heat the oil in a saucepan. Now carefully place the eggs into the hot oil and fry until cooked through and golden brown, turning only once. Remove and drain onto a paper towel.
Now, time for the part I've been waiting for, the taste test. Let's give it a try. It's so huge. I must admit, I'm actually surprised. I did not expect it to be this good. It's so delicious, and now I see why it's so popular in the UK. Well, I finally made these scrumptious Scotch eggs. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you all next time. Goodbye!